Hi guys, so we've got on the screen here a map which is APRS stations. There's a video coming up on how I've got that working. In the past I did it using Windows 10 and Windows 10 tablet, but that Windows 10 tablet, which is actually here, I'll bring it into shot, it doesn't work anymore because it will not boot from its own internal storage, and I can't fix that without replacing the part, and replacing that part is a very tall order because of the sort of part it is. So effectively what this is the map's receiving information from a source radio, which is this one down here, which is my FTM 400, which obviously is just connected to a dummy load because I don't have an antenna up at the moment. And then anything that's receiving from my APRS igate, which is actually in the kitchen, will get sent through and then appear on this map. So all it's doing is using the USB cable supplied with the radio. If you don't have that USB cable, then they are obtainable. It's a data connector on the back of the radio, and then it goes to well, in this cable it's a prolific. Not a problem on any other operating system that isn't Windows. If it's Windows, then yeah, that's when these prolifics have a problem. That's why I don't like them. And then what's basically going to happen, it's going through a USB hub in my case. I didn't buy the hub specifically for the purpose. I've had the hub for a while, and then it'll just come up on the map as long as the USB port's set correctly and the interface is working, which is just down there. So it can be turned into a receive only igate. That's the limitation of the radio. There's nothing else that can be done about that, and that's by setting it up with an internet server connection through APRS IS. You would just need your call sign and a ID code. I will demonstrate that in the video when it goes live. So we're using OpenStreetMap as the map on here. The software in question is that. That's freely available. It doesn't cost anything. In fact, nor does the operating system it's running on. So you can use a Raspberry Pi for this, which is what I plan to do in the future. I mean, I don't have the money for a Raspberry Pi because I want to set this up in a car on a screen built into the dash of the car. I mean, even though I'd be getting a really old car, that's kind of what I'm aiming for. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But I'll show you how it can be set up with a computer and even a laptop if you so desire. I haven't set it up on my laptop yet. That's something to do. So anyway, if you like the content that I make, then you could give the channel you can give videos a thumbs up on the channel, or you can press the thanks button and maybe chip in a little bit, or you could become a member to get early access videos before everybody else does. You can do that either through the YouTube channel, or you can do that through Patreon, or you can go on to Buy Me a Coffee and buy me a coffee. And all that goes back into helping me make better videos for the channel. I'm trying to get the Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee all back up and running again, as well as the memberships on the channel, if you so desire to do that. And like I said, there's the thanks button as well. So I hope you all had a very good new year. Here's to 2025 being a much better year for me. I guess, as you know, it was horrible for me, but I covered that in the New Year's live stream, which is obviously in the back catalogue, and I will catch you in the next video. So 7-3 for now.